Most of our clients are concerned about protecting their primary residence from future long-term care costs. For many of them, it's one of their more significant assets, either monetarily or emotionally, sentimental value, and so it's important that they preserve that. Since we don't generally recommend making a gift of the home outright or direct to the children, instead we would look to techniques that involve either a life estate or the right to use and occupy the property. With both of those techniques, the parent is reserving some interest, some right in the property for a period of time or for their lifetime. At the expiration of their lifetime or at the time the property is sold, the house then would revert to the children or perhaps to a trust for their benefit. In doing that, though, we start the 5-year clock ticking for Medicaid. Medicaid, of course, has a 5-year look back, which means that any gifts or transfers made within 5 years of applying for Medicaid need to be disclosed and a penalty can result. So the sooner we start talking about transferring that home and getting it out of your estate, the better off we are. Our firm has recently become a life care planning law firm. Doug Fendrick and myself have strong backgrounds in tax and have always been doing estate planning and elder law work for our clients. We found, however, that as we sat across from a client who was dealing with issues concerning a loved one in rehab or having moved into a long-term care setting, yes, they were talking to us because they were concerned about asset protection and getting the documents in place, but they were really concerned about what happens next. Where does mom go? Where do we move dad? What kind of assistance can we bring into the home? And we found that we were really only able to counsel our clients on a piece of that pie. And with the life care planning, now that we have brought Nancy Carmen into the fold as our elder care coordinator, we're now able to take a more holistic approach to elder law planning. And what that means is that we're still able to do the great legal work that we've always done, preparing documents, protecting assets, applying for Medicaid, and ensuring that the client gets the benefits that they're entitled. But now we're also able to be an advocate. We're able to stand at the client's side and their family's side as they are navigating their way through the very difficult maze of long-term care options. I remember the first time Nancy Carmen, our elder care coordinator, described herself as the child you never had. And I think that is such a wonderful way to describe the benefit, the service, and the connection that she has to her with her clients. Many of our clients these days have loved ones, have children who don't reside around the corner, right? It's very easy to pick up and go and move away, and as a result, many of our families are spread out across the country and frankly across the world. And so it really gives the parent and also the child a wonderful peace of mind where the child cannot be there and cannot be around the corner from mom and dad, to know that there is someone like a Nancy Carmen involved, helping, advocating, showing up at the care conferences, going to the appointments as necessary, and making sure everybody is doing exactly what they're supposed to be doing for your loved one, even when you can't be there.